Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create a powerful drill-through chart using Dashboard Builder. With this feature, you can dive deeper into your data effortlessly, providing users with detailed insights at the click of a button. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Dashboard Builder account using your credentials. This gives you access to the platform's data visualization and chart creation tools. Once logged in, head over to the Edit section. Here you'll find the Add Drill-Through option. Click on it, and a new page dedicated to drill-through data will be created. Next, click on the Window tab and select Main Window. This is where you'll begin configuring your primary chart. It's the main view your users will interact with. Before designing your chart, make sure you connect your data source. This could be any dataset that supports drill-through functionality, like sales data or performance metrics. Now it's time to create your chart. Simply go to Edit and then Chart Settings, or click directly on the visual panel to start designing your new chart. In the chart settings, customize your chart based on your reporting needs. Set up fields, data points, and design preferences to align with your analysis goals. Now let's activate the drill-through feature. In the chart settings layout, you'll find a tab labeled Drill-Through. Enable this option, select the data field for drill down, and link it to the new drill-through page you created. Next, configure the drill-through settings on the new page. Click on the Window tab and select Page. In the chart settings for this page, enable the drill-through functionality again, and choose the appropriate field and expression for deeper data exploration. Once you've set up both the main chart and the drill-through page, make sure to save all your settings. This ensures that the changes are applied and your chart is ready for action. And that's it. Your drill-through chart is now fully set up. Users can click on specific data points in the main chart to drill down into deeper, more detailed data in the new page, making data analysis more interactive and insightful. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials on mastering Dashboard Builder features. Happy charting!